Many people believe that eating beans at night is a recipe for bloating, discomfort, and a restless night of tossing. However, this is a common myth that prevents you from accessing a powerful natural remedy for deep sleep and kidney health. The truth is that specific beans can actually support your kidneys and prepare your body for a long, restorative night's sleep. Today, we will discover 5 specific types of beans that are scientifically proven to help you sleep better and detoxify naturally. Imagine waking up feeling completely refreshed because your dinner acted as a natural sedative while supporting your vital internal organs. These legumes are packed with essential fiber, plant-based protein, and minerals that regulate your body's internal clock and filtration systems. They work by stabilizing blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing the spikes and crashes that often wake you up unexpectedly. Unlike heavy meats or sugary snacks, these beans provide a slow release of energy that keeps your metabolism steady while sleeping. Let us begin with the first superfood on our list, a versatile legume known globally for its incredible health benefits: chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a powerhouse of nutrition that play a crucial role in regulating your sleep cycle. They are exceptionally rich in vitamin B6 and magnesium, 2 key nutrients that are essential for the production of sleep hormones. Vitamin B6 is directly involved in converting tryptophan into serotonin and eventually into melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep to your body. Furthermore, the complex carbohydrates in chickpeas help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing nocturnal hypoglycemia, which stresses the adrenal glands. By stabilizing blood sugar, chickpeas reduce the workload on your kidneys, allowing them to function efficiently without strain during the night. A small portion of hummus or boiled chickpeas 2 hours before bed can be the perfect snack to induce drowsiness naturally. Next, we explore the world of lentils, a staple food that has been nourishing civilizations and promoting health for thousands of years. Lentils are famous for their slow-release energy, which is critical for avoiding sudden blood sugar spikes that disrupt deep sleep phases. Rich in magnesium, lentils act as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to soothe physical tension and restless legs before you sleep. The high fiber content in lentils also aids digestion, ensuring your gut is not struggling while you are trying to rest. For kidney health, lentils provide plant-based protein, which is much easier for the kidneys to filter compared to animal-based proteins. It is important to rinse lentils thoroughly before cooking to remove anti-nutrients and ensure they are gentle on your digestive system. Moving on to our third contender. Black beans are not just delicious, but are also a potent shield for your kidneys. The dark color of black beans indicates a high concentration of antioxidants, called anthocyanins, which fight inflammation throughout the entire body. These antioxidants are particularly beneficial for protecting the delicate blood vessels within the kidneys from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. However, moderation is key with black beans because they contain potassium, which must be balanced carefully if you have kidney issues. When consumed in small, controlled portions, black beans provide excellent fiber without overwhelming the kidneys with excessive minerals or waste products. The combination of protein and fiber helps maintain satiety, preventing hunger pangs that might wake you up in the middle of the night. Our fourth superfood is the pinto bean, a variety that is often overlooked but offers remarkable benefits for nervous system health. Pinto beans are an excellent source of B-complex vitamins, which are vital for maintaining healthy nerve function and reducing anxiety levels. By calming the nervous system, pinto beans help prepare your mind for sleep, making it easier to drift off naturally. They offer a perfect balance of protein and fiber, which helps to stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the long night hours. Preparing pinto beans until they are very soft makes them easier to digest, reducing the risk of bloating before bedtime. Their nutrient profile supports kidney function by providing energy without the heavy toxin load found in processed foods or animal proteins. Finally, we arrive at the lightest and most gentle option on our list: green peas, a favorite for delicate digestive systems. Green peas are technically legumes, but are often treated as vegetables because they are so easy for the body to digest. They contain lower levels of potassium and phosphorus compared to other beans, making them very safe for early-stage kidney issues. For those who are worried about kidney strain, green peas offer a way to get plant protein without overloading your filtration system. Their light texture and sweet flavor make them a comforting late-night snack that won't sit heavy in your stomach while sleeping. Chickpeas, lentils, black beans, pinto beans, and green peas. These are your 5 allies for better sleep and stronger kidneys. However, the benefits of these beans can be completely ruined if you prepare them incorrectly or eat them at the wrong time. The first golden rule is to soak your dried beans for at least 8 to 12 hours before you cook them. Soaking breaks down complex sugars called oligosaccharides, which are the primary cause of bloating and gas in sensitive digestive systems. When cooking, ensure you boil them until they are completely soft and skim off any foam that rises to the surface. Eating undercooked beans is hard on the stomach, but thoroughly cooked beans are gentle, soothing, and easily absorbed by your body. Avoid adding salt during the cooking process, as this can toughen the skins and lead to dehydration or high blood pressure. Also, avoid spicy seasonings for your evening meal, as they can trigger acid reflux and disrupt your ability to fall asleep. Timing is everything. You should finish your bean-based snack or meal at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. This window allows your digestion to complete its heavy lifting, so your body can focus on repair and rest during sleep. A small bowl of warm lentil soup or a few spoons of stewed black beans is enough to reap the benefits. Remember to stay hydrated, but do not drink excessive amounts of water right before bed to avoid waking up for the bathroom. By following these simple rules, you turn a simple food ingredient into a powerful tool for kidney detoxification and sleep enhancement. Let's recap. Chickpeas for melatonin, lentils for relaxation, black beans for antioxidants, pinto for nerves, and green peas for gentle digestion. Incorporating these into your diet can mean the difference between a groggy morning and waking up ready to conquer the day. Nature has provided us with incredible remedies that often work better than synthetic supplements when used correctly and consistently over time. It is time to let go of the fear of eating beans at night and embrace their healing properties for your body. Share this knowledge with your family, especially those who struggle with insomnia or are concerned about their long-term kidney health. Start small by adding one of these bean varieties to your dinner menu once or twice a week to see results. Your body will thank you for the steady nutrients, the reduced toxin load, and the deep, restorative rest you will achieve. Always consult with your doctor if you have advanced kidney disease, as individual dietary restrictions for potassium may vary significantly. From creamy hummus to hearty black bean stews, the culinary possibilities are endless and delicious for your healthy evening routine. We hope this video has clarified the myths and given you actionable advice to improve your sleep and kidney function. Health is a journey of understanding how simple foods interact with our complex biology to create harmony and wellness within us. Next time you are at the grocery store, do not walk past the bean aisle. Stop and pick up your sleep aid. Remember the cooking tips. Soak long, cook soft, skip the salt, and eat early to unlock the full potential. Deep sleep is the foundation of health, and your kidneys are the filters of life. Protect both with smart nutrition. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with friends who need better sleep. Join our community of health-conscious individuals who are taking control of their well-being through natural and scientific dietary choices. Which of these 5 beans is your favorite, and how do you plan to cook it? Let us know below. Cooking healthy food does not have to be complicated. It just needs to be intentional and mindful of your body's needs. As you turn off the lights tonight, remember that your body is still working hard, fueled by what you ate. Give your body the best tools for repair by choosing foods that heal rather than harm your delicate internal systems. Nature works in cycles, and by aligning your diet with your sleep cycle, you achieve a rhythm of perfect health. Simple changes often yield the most profound results, and switching your late-night snack is one of the easiest changes to make. We are committed to bringing you the most accurate and helpful nutritional advice to guide you on your wellness journey. From the earth to your plate, these humble beans carry the power to transform your nights and protect your future health. Do not let misconceptions about bloating keep you from a food group that offers so much for your longevity. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your night and observe how your body feels tomorrow morning. Consistent care for your kidneys now will prevent serious complications later, and it all starts with what is on your fork. Love your body by feeding it right, and it will reward you with energy, clarity, and a long, healthy life. May your nights be restful, your sleep be deep, and your mornings be filled with the energy of good health. Explore recipes, experiment with flavors, and find the bean dish that makes your taste buds and your kidneys happy. Thank you for trusting us with your time and attention as we explore the fascinating world of nutrition and health. Relax